Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to be looking at this Revive H2O's outdoor survival water filter. Now, I usually have my Sawyer Mini, but people might not want to spend the 20 to 30 pounds that one of those can cost, so this is a cheaper option. I got this off of Amazon for just under £14. A little bit there that shows you what the inside is. Now you can see that it weighs 88 grams and has a shelf life of 5 years. And most importantly, none of those nasty BPAs. That's pretty cool actually. You could emergency, you could use that as a tie that maybe as a tourniquet if you stretched it. Okay, so it's got a little compass, signal mirror. Obviously that's our inlet. And you see the threads here, so you could use that to screw it to the top of a bottle if you found one somewhere. Carabiner is okay for attaching it to a pack or something. Obviously that's where you drink from. So, you could just use it as is. If you had like a water source, like a life straw, straight down. Or if you needed to, you can extend the bottom. Get up there. So you can reach a little bit further down. Yeah, not bad. The whistle in the top. Which is okay, but I'm not sure how effective that would be over a distance. But yeah, so that's what you get in the pack. Like I say, it's only half the price of a Sawyer Mini, so if you can't afford one of those, maybe this would be a good idea as a budget option. So thanks for checking it out. Till next time, take care.